Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your Praveen Kumar and you're watching Shades of Praveen. For today's video, you're going to require a black pen, a pencil and an eraser just in case. So let's get started. I'm starting with the hair. As you know, for Super Saiyan Goku, his hair is a major highlight for his appearance. The second major thing for any anime character is its eyes. So I'm going through that right now. If you got the shape of the eyes right, you can say 50% of your job is already done. And then you just need to focus on the nose, lips, and obviously the jawline. I'm drawing it directly with the black pen. You can also try using pencil as you can erase little mistakes, but in pen you cannot do that. That's the only problem I'm going to have right now. While drawing the hair, make sure you're focusing on the tip of the hair cause that need to be a sharp pointed edge. Goku is one of my favorite characters from Dragon Ball series. That's why I took Goku for today's video. If you want me to draw any other anime character, do let me know in the comment section. Just darkening the lines little bit to have the darker look. And the lines in the hair are very important to have the highlighted effect. Here, I am going with the shading now. You just need to fill the darker side of the hair using your pencil, and for the lighter shade, just control the pressure of the pencil tip and then you can have your required shading effect. Here, it is the Super Saiyan Goku, so the skin must be lighter and the hair also need to be lighter because that's exactly a yellow color in the original series. There you can see a Super Saiyan Goku is ready now. That's the wrap up for today's video. Stay tuned to the next exciting shade of Shades of Praveen.